Well, if you want to first look at the Snap-on 100 tooth, here is one. These are on special this month. Kind of dig the green, although I'm not a fan of the soft grip handles. I like hard handles. They're just timeless. Looks pretty good to me. And it's super smooth. It's definitely working well. I think they'll be all right. I hear they're having some issues with them, but if you wanted to see what one looks like, this is brand new off the truck right now. So stay tuned and I'll keep you updated.